Yeah, hi guys. So a lot of people have asked me these questions, over time, asking how they can actually sell online, how they can sell their digital products online. And for me, I feel anything I must have experienced, I should be able to share with people for free for them to also benefit. So what I'm going to do with you right now is I'm going to share with you the step-by-step guide on how you can actually create your online store, where you can sell anything, both physical products or digital products. And you can also be an affiliate marketer if you don't even have any product. So let's just dive in. Okay, so let's just move into the screen. So here is the seller. So you just go to your browser, type seller.co, which is selar.co. It's going to bring you here, and then you can see that you can create your store, whatever currency, anywhere you are in the world, you can actually set it up, and it's as simple as ABC. You can connect your bank account to it in minutes, and you receive your payments directly into your bank account. Definitely, if you're using the free version, they take a little charge on each transaction, which is very, very small. And you can decide whether you want your users to pay for the service charge, but it's very, very minute. So I think you should bear that, but it is actually very, very useful. Okay, so first thing you just need to do is to come to start selling, because you don't really have an account to log in. So just come to start selling, and let's create our account. So here you're going to fill in all the details. So just input your email address. You can edit all of this later. So put your name, then give yourself a nice password, and then hit the create account button. Okay, so on this now, we are still on trying to board in. So you have three options. Are you a creator, are you an affiliate marketer, or you're just a random customer who just need to buy products? So basically what we want to do is to create an account so that we'll be able to sell our products, either physical or virtual. So then you hit the continue as a creator. Okay, so I can tell you for free that your account has been created, because that's the very first step that you need to do. So if you feel this video has been really, really helpful, just before we move to the second step of this, because we still have three more steps to go for that, I would just like you to do what, like this particular video, subscribe to the channel, and also hit the notification button. Doing this, you're helping me, because I'm doing this for free, and I would like to have many people I like to have many people to see this video, to benefit from this video. So by doing that, you're going to make it more wider for more people to see it. So let's move on to the next step. The next step is actually for us to be able to create for us to be able to set up our bank account. So let's move on. So you don't have any products yet, yes, but let's add the bank details. So in here, you select the country of your choice. We're in Nigeria, you have other countries. If you're in Canada, the United Kingdom, United States, or any other part of the world, definitely you'll be asked to use PayPal, as you can see. But because I'm in Nigeria, I'm allowed to use my direct bank account. So I can give it my bank. Then once you're done filling in your bank details, just hit verify account details. So as you can see that it's has brought out my name, so you just hit the continue button. So for me, we are done basically with the second step. So we'll move to the third step, which is for us to be just before you move to the last step, which is adding products. I always advise people to set up their account for that. So in doing that, all you just need to is to hit on this three lines, which is going to bring out all other menu that we have. Then you go to settings, you scroll down to settings, and then you go to general store settings. So from the general store settings, all you need to do is to put your company logo here, and then check. Definitely every other information would have been added, but you can check for that for things that you don't have. Store description, I would say, is very, very important, because you need to make it search engine friendly. So make sure you put in all the necessary keywords about your business. You put it there. Then put in your Instagram, Facebook, everything as requested. Then also put in your phone number. Don't worry, your phone number is not going to be made public, but you can just put in your phone number to update your store settings. Then lastly is the miscellaneous store settings. I always advise that you check in this to collect the customer's mobile phone number during checkout, and also collect their address or city on store checkout form. This is good for remarketing, so to say. So you select these two, and I think here is asking, where do you want the transaction charge to be taken from? Like I said, let it be taken from you, the merchant, not the customer. So I'll leave it as default. You can check in for every other thing, but for me they are okay, then you click update to move to the next level. So here your store settings has been updated. We can now move further to add a product. So to do that, just come to product and click on add product. So here is your page for you to add your product, which is the very last step that you need. So once again, if you have not liked this video, I would just want to plead with you to help me to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and then hit that notification button so that whenever I do good videos like this, you'll be able to receive a notification to watch such a video. Since I'm doing it for free, you shouldn't buy it. Thank you. So now, these are the classes of product types that we have. You can sell physical products on the site, you can sell digital products, you can even sell a ticket. You know, maybe you want to have a training, a workshop, or a webinar, whatever it is, you can create it. Then if you want a subscription base, maybe there is recurring payments that you need your client to be paying every year or every month, you can create such as a product. You can do for service, maybe sell you're into coaching, teaching, counseling, you know, you can also get that done. Then every other thing now for the pro users, maybe you want to host your course online, it's going to have you like a bandwidth to yourself where you can host your videos, your audio, you know, and everything will be hosted on Seller. Then you can also stream videos and audio as well too. Then membership courses, you know, which for me this is still in the beta version, so you've not completed it, but it's something I'm looking forward to. Then you also have all that flexible subscription, you know. So but for the purpose of this class, we just do digital products. So it's so simple. Let's select digital products. So here is our digital products, you know. So if you want to add a product, you first come to select the particular product image. Make sure it is within minimum of 300 to 300 by 300. So I always use 500 by 500, so you can just upload whatever picture of your product as your choices. So I've uploaded mine, then I can give it a name. This is my Canva Pro. So Canva Pro, then you give it your price, 10,000 naira. Now from here, you know, if you want other currency, you can go to currency settings and add other currency. You can put pounds, Kenya shillings, US dollar, whatever it is, you know. Then if you now want to do like promo prices, you know, you can have your original price and then you can have the discounted price. Then this is very important. This is where you have your description about the product. You know, so far you know how to use Microsoft Word very well. You should be able to put in your write-up. If you have it somewhere, you can copy and paste it and then make sure everything is well loaded. You can make it bold, you can have it as a link, you can change the color, the background color, you know, whatever it is that you want is just basically your choice, and just enjoy it. That's all I can say. So then go down, select your category. What kind of product is this? So for me, this is a software product kind of, so I can select software and tech. Then subcategory, I can say app and tools, you know. So then here is asking you for the product variation. I really do not have variants, so it's not like there are different packages or there are sizes. So if there are sizes, maybe extra large, large, and they all come in different prices, or the colors, you know. So those are the things we mean by variant. So it is a digital product, so I'll leave it as digital product. If you want it as a pre-order product, you can select this. Maybe the product is not yet out, you can select the date, but this is not a pre-order, so I don't need to do that. Now if you want it, if it's a downloadable material, you know, you can upload your downloadable file here. You know, maximum file is 750 megabytes, you know, and then you're good. But for what I intend doing, it has nothing to do with that, so I prefer to use automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL. So for me, for this particular product, I prefer them to go to a WhatsApp group. So I'll copy my WhatsApp group, you know, the link of the WhatsApp, then I'll dump it here. So once they are done with their payment, it automatically releases the link to the WhatsApp, and then they are able to click it, and then it brings them to my site. Okay, so let me just upload the product file, which can still be the same design, and then once you're done with that, you can hit the create button. So just wait for it, and here you have the product link. So you can see the product link. So this is specifically for that particular product, and people can start buying from here. Basically, that is all you need to learn about how to create your own online store, which you can use to sell any kind of product, whether physical or digital product, even as much as any service. So I want to believe this video has been very useful to you. I have a couple of other videos that you can also watch on the channel, so I want you to do me the honor by just liking this particular video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button. See you some other time.